Hi, I am Prasoon Gajri, the Chief Investment Officer for HDFC Life. I've been with the company for over 12 years and have been part of the markets for over 20 years now. Well, the fact of the matter is, ULIPs are long-term products. By its very nature, life insurance is long-term and ULIPs within that are long-term products. And the entire benefit, the entire planning which goes around when you're investing in ULIPs can be really beneficial for you only if you stay for the entire period of the policy term. Well, my view is very simple. One has to look at asset allocation. Talk to your advisors, figure out what really works best for you. There is no single answer. Allocate it across various funds which the ULIPs offer. In fact, it's very important to look at all the choices which the ULIPs really give you. Having done that, I think it's extremely important to review your portfolio at least once in 6 months and in case required, rebalance it. Rebalance it to your desired asset allocation. At the same time, I think it's important that if you want to get the best benefit out of the tax, you have to keep managing the ratio between the investments and the insurance premiums in a proper manner. Frankly, yes, if you are going to exit the policy in a year's time, 2 years' time, they are going to be expensive. Why? Well, because the charges are largely upfront. As you go along, as the time period elapses, a larger part of the money which you give us straight away goes to your investment fund. And therefore, the longer you are invested, the lower the charge structure tends to be. Well, a few things will happen. First, you will stop participating in the markets. The policy will get discontinued. The money will move into a fund which we call the discontinued policy fund, which invests only in money market instruments. You lose out on all the other policy benefits. You lose out on any tax benefits which you may have got. It does not give you the desired benefits which you started out, because I'm sure when you really took the ULIP plan, you had certain thought in mind, certain planning in mind. One lesson which I've really learned in all these years of my being in the market, I think some of us try to make things too complex. Are there very simple rules in the market? One is be invested for the long haul. Frankly, it's such a simple rule, but a lot of us don't follow it. Markets will have their ups and downs. There is going to be volatility. You have to ride it out. And if you ride it out across cycles, that will be something which will be wonderful for you. And that again comes back to the same reason. If you are taking the exposure through the ULIPs, which are great long-term products, if I may add again, then you break your journey midway, you are not going to get those benefits. You are not taking advantage of the long-term returns from the market. So therefore, please be invested for the whole period. Please be persistent with your policy. Because by doing so, one, you achieve your goals. You started off with a particular goal, you achieve your goal. When you start a journey, you don't want to leave it midway, right? You want to reach your destination. So the only way you do it is if you keep paying your premiums on time and take advantage of the policy with which you really planned some benefits and achieve the goals you set out for. So with that message, bid you goodbye.